Sainte-Florence.
Sainte-Florence is a charming forestry village, nestled in the heart of the Matapedia Valley, in the beautiful Gaspé Peninsula. Quebec has 4 distinct vegetation zones: Arctic tundra, taiga, boreal forest, and temperate forest. Sainte-Florence is located in the temperate forest zone, offering lush and diverse landscapes. In 1895, Arthur Buys, a renowned journalist and writer, visited Sainte-Florence. He was on an important mission to study the French-Canadian population settlement. By 1901, the village had its first covered bridge over the Matapedia River. The chapel was completed in 1908, and the first train station was built in 1910. The parish core then included the church, presbytery, cemetery, and a barn. Sainte-Florence was officially established as a municipality in 1910, and named in honor of Saint Florence by Monsignor André Blaise. Today, with around 400 residents, Sainte-Florence offers various family-friendly activities. The landscape, dominated by forests and the Matapedia River, is perfect for salmon fishing, and outdoor adventures like hunting, fishing, snowmobiling, and hiking. The village also features scenic roads, accommodations like chalets and motels, a small grocery store, a post office, and a restaurant. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of Sainte-Florence, Quebec.